So in this Tech Bite, I'm going to show you how to update your Zoom application. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on your Zoom. When you click on Zoom, you'll notice that this screen will appear. At the top of the screen, it says a new version is available. So you hit update. Now you could hit update, or you could come over here and you could go to your name or icon, and you scroll all the way down where it says check for updates. You click check for update, and then this screen will pop up. When this screen pops up, you simply click update, and now it's going to update your system. Now your system has been updated. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this quick Tech Bite, please subscribe, hit the like, ring the bell, share, and comment. And come back for more tech tips. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. See you next time.
Be strong. Be strong.